the same for everyone. You know, accessing these goods is not the same for everyone, and I'm a pretty, you know, I don't look like someone that is disabled, and so, you know, there's a lot of us that have, in some ways, it's almost a hidden disability. It's we still go in and we still buy the products, but we've got to kind of find these life hacks behind closed doors to be able to use them.
I think it would be really good to highlight that there's a huge population out there that actually need accessible packaging, and that it is a real thing. And I think labelling is a really big thing, so promote your products and that they have features of accessibility.
I think for me, if they appreciate that I've got a disability and deficiency, and that any tweaks of design that can help me to assist them, there's some tactile tabs, you know, which are really good to get a better grip on the item and pull the tab off. It's great, and just ease of convenience. I think it's working, so we all should be equal, or reasonably equal, and better design is probably the easiest answer.
Unless you're actually living or working around somebody with a disability, people are oblivious to what really happens and what goes on.
Companies say we're aware of, but they're not. Or I don't know how they get their awareness. Like medical companies making it so hard to open bottle. Even the if you get a like magnesium bottle or something and it's got that wine, you've got to pull off that little piece of plastic so you can use it. That's hard to get off for somebody that's, I mean, my hands mightn't look all knuckly, but which, yeah, they don't. But it's hard to get for me to do that, to have that finite skill to do that. And you would think a medical company would know that. And you know, I've been given tools to help me, but they don't necessarily, you've got to hold them. Like with opening things, you've got to hold them to create the force so it opens the product. So how does that work? So I don't think they really know. They just, or they're not listening to the right people.